Hey guys, are you tired of wasting time on repeating tasks in Excel? In this video, I'll show you 15 game-changing Excel shortcuts that will make your workflow faster, smarter, and more efficient. Whether you are beginner or an experienced Excel user, this shortcut are must know. Let's start with Hack Academy. Here you see that data, this is raw data, and this is Excel shortcut, 15 Excel shortcut for everyone. New user or expert needs to very important for this data analysis, and you can use this shortcut method. You can easily analyze your data. Okay, this is control N. Control N means you have to go new page, enter. First of all, control N, you see that open a new page. If you wanted to open a new page with shortcut, and you can press control N. Okay, and control A. Control A means you can select anything with shortcut by pressing here. Here you see that control A. Control A means that you see that here is select this whole data. Okay, and control B. Control B, if you wanted to highlight in a text format, and you can select control B. You see that this format are highlighted. Okay, and fourth number is control P. That means after completing your documents, and you have to print these documents. Okay, and if you print shortcut, first of all control V. Here you see that this is printable document, and you can select here for print and go to print. Okay, and control plus arrow. Control arrow. Okay, control arrow means control arrow. You see that here is transfer this cell, transfer this reference cell. Okay, and control and control, and you can go up, and you can go down, and you can go left, and you can go right. Any higher you can go easily by control arrow. And here is, you see that control space bar. Okay, control space bar means you can select a column by control space bar. Here you see that control space, this select. Okay, and now we try to select the row by control shift space bar. Okay, here you see that after pressing shift space bar, the shift space bar, and here you see that the row are select. Okay, and if you wanted to close this file, and we can try by another file. Here is, you see that if we wanted to close this file, then we can press control F4. Okay, control F4. Here you see that this file are closed, and we try to go in next sheet, and here you see that this is two sheet are available in this file, and if we wanted to go next sheet, and we should control tab. Here you see that next sheet, and okay, here you see that next sheet. And if we wanted to copy anything in Excel, suppose we wanted to copy this row, okay, and we have to control C and first control B. Okay, this is control B and control C, and another one is print preview. Print preview, here is, you see that control F2. It means that after preparation our documents, we can check this document, is it printable or not. Okay, and here is you see that control F1, that means show hide ribbon. Okay, if we wanted to hide this ribbon bar, here you see that this is ribbon bar. If we wanted to hide this ribbon bar, and we should press control F1. Okay, control F1, you see that this ribbon bar are already hide, and if we want to recover this, and we should also control F1. Okay, and if we wanna to duplicate this any column or any text, and we can select this, here is control D. Okay, here is you see that if we wanna to duplicate this row, and we can press here control D. Okay, and last one, fill right. Okay, and fill right means control R. Here is you see that copy right. Okay, copy right. Before I show you, control D means duplicate, and control R means right duplicate. Okay, so hope that you guys understand very well of 15 Excel shortcut which are able to easy your daily data analysis. Okay, stay tuned with Hawk Academy. Thank you everyone.